Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a post on your personal Facebook account. Making a post on your Facebook personal account using a mobile device is a quick and easy way to share updates, photos, videos and more with your friends and followers. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a post on your Facebook personal account on mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now the first step you have to take is to open up your Facebook app. So let me go back now to begin from the first step. What you have to do is to search for your Facebook app, then you tap on it to open it. So once your Facebook app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see what's on your mind. You can see right there, it's written what's on your mind, so you have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. Right here guys, this is where you can be able to make a post on Facebook. You can see what's written there at the top, create post. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to create your post, but I want to show you guys a second method that I can use. Let me go back now. Let me tap on the back icon at the top. So guys, in case you don't want to tap on where you can see what's on your mind, what you simply have to do is to tap on the plus icon at the top. You can see the plus icon right there, so let me tap on it. So guys, can see these options here. It says post, story, reels, live, AI. So if you want to create a post, just tap on the first option, which is post. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, you can see it has brought us back to this same place. Remember, we tapped on what's on your mind and it brought us here. If you also tap on the plus icon, then select post, it's going to bring you here as well. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to select the photo that you want to use to make the post or the video. You can do that by tapping on where you can see photo/video. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, so what you have to do now is to scroll through. You can see right here, these are the photos in my gallery and the videos in my gallery. So what you have to do now is to select the image that you want to use. Let me select one of it, the image or video. So let me tap on this first one right there. You can see I've selected this image right there. Let me go back. In case you want to select multiple photo, you can tap on where you can see add more. You can see it right there. Just tap on add more. Let me tap on it. So you can go ahead to select more, and also you can tap on where you can see select multiple to select more than 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, that's how it works, but I want to select just one photo, so let me leave it at that. So let me go back. Let me tap on next. So guys, after you've selected your photo or your video, what you simply have to do now is to tap on where you can see say something about this photo. So you can type in the text, the caption that you want to use. So let me tap on it. Then what I will do now is to go ahead now to type in what I want. You can see I'm typing, but I have something copied out already, so let me paste it real quick. Right there guys, can see this is the caption I want to use. You can see this is my write-up. Now the next step you have to take now is to actually edit the photo that you actually selected. That's if you want to, and you can do that by tapping on where you can see edit. So let me tap on edit. So right here you can decide to select an effect to your image. Let me tap on effects. You can see right here there are various effects that you can use. Let me tap on this. You can see, but I want the image to be normal, so let me tap on normal. I want the original image that I selected, so let me go back now. Then I can tap on crop. In case you want to crop the image, you tap on the crop icon. Then you can crop the image. You can see, but I don't want to crop the image, so let me tap on done. Then after that, in case you want to add music, you can see the music icon right there at the top. Just tap on it, they'll be able to select the music that you want. And also you can add text, you can see it right there. And also you can add stickers, you can see it right there. And also you can tag people, your friends on Facebook, you can see it right there. So after you're done, you tap on done. So let me tap on done. And also guys, let me show you guys more things that you need to know. In case you want to tag people, you can tap on the tag icon right there. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. You can see these are my friends on Facebook, so I can go ahead to select the people I want to tag on this post, but I don't want to tag anyone, so let me go back. You can see the next icon right there, which is the feeling/activity icon. So let me tap on it. So guys can see there are various feelings that you can actually select from here. You can see, if you're happy, select on happy. If you're excited about the post that you want to make, then tap on excited. If you're crazy about it, if you're amused, if you're positive about it, hopeful about it, you can see there are various feelings right here. And also let me tap on the activity section. You can see activities right there. Let me tap on it. You can see if you're celebrating the post, you tap on celebrating. If you're listening to you tap on listening to. If you're attending, maybe if the post is about a program that is upcoming, you can select attending. That means you're going to attend the program. If you're going to be listening to the program, maybe it's on radio, you tap on listening to. So guys, this is how it works. So you can select from the feelings and also from the activity, but I don't want to select any, so let me go back now. Then after that, you can see the location icon. So if you want to select the location from where you're posting from, you can tap on location right away. They were able to select your location, but I don't want to add my location, so let me go back now. And also let me tap on the more icon, so we're going to see more options. Let me tap on more icon. You can see right here, you can select photos, you can tag people. I've showed you guys that one, the feelings and activity, the check-in, which is your location. You can see camera in case you want to, maybe you want to make a video of yourself, I want to take a picture of something and add it to this post. You can tap on camera, and also you can see music right there. You can also add music from this point, and also you can decide to generate AI images if you want from here. You can see guys, now after you're done with all of this, what you simply have to do now is to check through your post and make sure everything is on point. Then after that, you tap on post. So let me tap on post right away. Right there guys, you can see what's written there, posting. So our Facebook post is being made. So let's just wait a few seconds. You can see it right there on the right hand side. It's loading. You can see it right there. So let me just wait a few seconds. It's going to get posted now. You can see guys, wow guys, you can see your post was shared. So guys, now you can see my post right there. You can see it was just posted just now. You can see this is the write-up. Let me scroll down now. You can see this is the image right here. So what I can do now is to decide to like. So I can like it. Let me like it. Let me just like it. You can see guys, I've liked it. You can see it right there. You can also comment if you want, and also you can share if you want. You can see the comment icon, and also you can see the share icon. So guys, this is how you can be able to make a post on your personal Facebook account, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.